In this bag here are some new additions from longtime friend of the channel, Mott and Bo. After recently picking up a new pair of Slim Crosby jeans, Mott and Bo's denim collection is the best, and this darker pair is perfect for me to wear to the office and really any day. My friends at Mott and Bo reached out and asked if I wanted to try out their new additions from their all-new sleepwear collection, and I was more than excited to try them out. So here today, I've got Mott and Bo's Pajama long sleeve crew neck and their all-new pajama pants. Both are in size medium. The crew neck is in navy and the pants are in black. And if you want to check out anything from Mott and Bo's 2026 winter collection, all of their sleepwear for men and women alike, and get a little bit of a discount on not just the sleepwear, but anything from their lineup. Again, their denim products are fantastic and their everyday staple tees are must-haves. Be sure to click the link in the description down below and use our code DESIGNER10 for 10% off your order. So this collection from Mott and Bo, again, it's all about comfort in sleep, and the composite of these products is perfectly designed for that. Both the pants and the crew neck are a 90% modal, 10% spandex mix, and they're extremely comfortable and incredibly stretchy. Also perfect for lounging around in. The pajama crew neck is modeled after Mott and Bo's excellent Driggs T-line. This is their most comfortable staple t-shirt, and if you don't have one in your collection, you should definitely get one. They're not just great for wearing around town, but they make excellent layering pieces as well. That means it's got great fit, really nice finishing, excellent stitching along the neckline, arm lines, and on the cuffs of the sleeves. And while the pajama pants are all new, they are just as comfortable and just as nice to wear. They have a great elastic waistband with an adjustment drawstring right in the middle. Lots and lots of room to breathe and adjust these. There's two nice and deep pockets on these pants as well. And I love this. The bottom of the pants have a nice fitted cuff on the hem, so they snug into you and hold you tight, hold everything in place. They're just really, really comfortable and generally quite flattering, even with that stretchy capability. Both these pieces are available in a wide selection of sizes and 4 great colors: graphite blue, dark gray, navy, and black. And if you're interested in anything that you've seen in the video today, there'll be links down below to everything discussed. Again, be sure to use our coupon code DESIGNER10 for 10% off your order. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know down in the comments what you think about Mott and Bo's products, and I hope to see you again soon in the next video.